There's an AI app builder that costs $0, runs entirely on your desktop, and asks for no account, while the tools it competes with charge $20 to $25 a month. It works. But the word free on its pricing page hides a catch that trips people up on day one. Let's talk about what the paid cloud builders actually meter you on. Lovable's free tier gives you 5 credits a day, and every project you make is public. No private projects unless you pay. Their Pro plan is $25 a month for 100 monthly credits, plus those 5 daily credits. Bolt's free tier hands you somewhere between 150,000 tokens a day on the low end and 300,000 on the high end, capped at 1 million tokens a month, and Bolt Pro is $20 a month to lift that to 10 million tokens. V0's free tier is roughly $5 worth of tokens a month, with Pro at $20. Replit. Free is a limited agent trial, 10 dev apps, all of them public, and Core runs $20 to $25 a month. So the pattern is clear. On the cloud tools, free means throttled, and public, and real work means a subscription. Dyad's pitch is different. The Core app is open source under Patch EE 2.0. It's an EE Electron desktop app for Mac, OS, and Windows, and there's no cloud execution and no account required. The repo has around 21,100 stars. And when you bring your own API key, usage is effectively unlimited because you're paying the model provider directly, not Dyad. Here's how it actually works, start to finish. First, download the installer. You grab it from Mac OS or Windows straight from the download page, no sign up. On Windows, Smart Screen will likely flag it with a Windows protected your PC message. You click More Info, then Run Anyway. Second, install Node.js. This is the part people miss. Dyad needs Node.js already on your machine. It's the runtime that runs the apps you generate. Dyad will try to auto-install PNPM on startup and fall back to NPM if that fails. But Node itself is on you. Third, connect a model. The Quick Start recommends Google Gemini E. You get a free Gemini API key and paste it in as your provider key. That free tier gives you up to 250 messages a day on Gemini 2.5 Flash. And Gem in EE is just one option. Dyad supports bring your own key for OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Gem in EE, DeepSeek, Qwen, and OpenRouter, including its free tier models. It also runs fully local models through Ollama and LM Studio, so nothing leaves your machine at all. Fourth, build the app. You describe what you want, and the agent writes the code on your own disk. One reviewer built a complete sleep tracking app with authentication in about 10 minutes. There's Super base integration, Cap Asset or for mobile builds, MCP server extensibility, and built-in security scanning. Fifth, publish it. Inside Dyad, you click Connect to GitHub, Authorize, then Sync to GitHub, which pushes your local code to a private or public repo. Sixth, deploy it. You sign in to Vercel with GitHub, import the repo, add your environment variables, and click Deploy. You get a live vercel.app URL. One warning the docs are blunt about: once deployed, your app is visible to the whole world. So don't ship anything sensitive without proper auth and security. Now the catch, 2 of them actually. The first is that free claim. The ad free at $0 is genuinely free when you bring your own API key. But Dyad also has a bundled basic agent mode that uses its own AI, and that one is capped at 5 messages a day, 150 a month. So the unlimited story only holds when you plug in your own key. Confuse those two and you'll hit a wall fast and wonder why. Above that sits Dyad Pro at $20 a month, with Pro modes for large codebases and 200 AI credits, and Dyad Max at $79 a month for 900 credits. And here's the open source asterisk, and it matters more than it first sounds. The main codebase is Apache 2.0, but the Pro directory is under the functional source license 1.1. Apache lets you take the main app and do essentially anything with it. Fork it, ship it, reuse it. The functional source license holds the pro features back. They convert to Apache 2 after a delay period, but until then, the pro features are not pure open source, despite the open source positioning. So, the open part is real, it just stops at the pro line. The second catch is setup, and it's the one that costs you time on day one. Because Dyad runs locally, it is not zero setup the way a pure cloud tool is. Lovable and Bolt need nothing installed on your machine. Dyad needs Node.js, and on Windows, that's a recurring source of pain, not a one-off. There are multiple reports of PNPM and NPM not being recognized, and of Node not being detected despite a correct install. Usually the cause is the same. Node, or PNPM, isn't on the system path, so Dyad can't find the runtime even though it's technically installed. The exact error people report is that PNPM is not recognized as an internal or external command. When that happens, the app server just won't start, and the fix is environment plumbing, not anything inside Dyad itself. That's the price of owning your code and running everything on your own hardware. So who is this actually for? If you want a browser tab, no local install, and you don't mind a subscription and public projects on the free tier, the cloud builders are the smoother path. Nothing to configure, nothing to break. But if you're a developer who wants to own the code, avoid lock-in, pick your own model, cloud or fully local, and pay the model provider directly instead of a per-credit tax, Dyad is the one that hands you the keys. You do the node setup once. After that, the model bill is between you and the provider, and the code sits on your disk under a license you can read, free, on your desktop, with your own model. Just remember which free you're actually using.